Then we have a couple of text fields available. So all of these text fields have a different functionality. The basic text field lets you enter any combination of letters and numbers. This would be up to 255 characters, whilst the text area lets you enter up to 255 characters on a separate line. Text area long lets you enter up to 131072 characters on separate lines. Rich would allow you to have formatted text, lets you add images and links. And then encrypted would just encrypt the whole text which is entered, so make it like a password, and nobody within Salesforce would be able to read that. So let's create one of each. So it's called a text field. So we'll then length 255, next and save. Then we'll do text area. We'll call it text area. Next and text area long. So text area long, and again here you can define the length. The maximum length is 131072, so let's do that, 131072. You can also define the number of visible lines here. On the UI, these number of lines would be visible even if you have data longer than that. Then we have text area rich, so let's do that as well. Text area rich, right? Again, the length is 131072. You can define the length, so define the length, and next and save. And save. Correct. So this would give you a text area rich field. Right. So text encrypted. So we'll call it text encrypted. The length maximum here is 175. Then you need to define the mask type. So mask all characters, last 4 characters, credit card number, national insurance number. So there are a couple of mask types available. So let's mask all characters. And mask character, how should it look like a asterisk or an X? We'll put it asterisk. So it would look something like this. Let's use default values here, and that would give us an encrypted field as well. Text field, this value is so this is a demo text. Then text area, again 255 characters on multiple lines. So this is line 1, this is line 2. Text area long, so you can add a long text. So let's say lorem ipsum, and you can add a lot of it, right? Then rich text, so it lets you, so this is line 1, and then you can, this is line 2. Then you can add bullets as well. So first bullet, second bullet, and you can do stuff like that. So, and then you can also do, bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can also add links, you can also add images, you can select an image, so you can do stuff like that. Encrypted, so this is password, right? Let's save. Cool. So this is how your fields would look like. Text field, a single text field looks like this. Text area looks like this. Text area long looks like this, and rich text again look like this. And encrypted, we selected the asterisk to come up as encrypted, so that's how it is showing up here. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.